Alright, so to start, the problem is, for problem 1, they give you this equation, and all you have to do really is just make the graph. Here, the shadow's in the way. All you have to do is make the graph from this equation. So f of x, which is just y, that's just y. Y equals minus 4 times 3, but 3 has an exponent, x minus 1. So since the x is up in that exponent, it's an exponential equation. So it's like the graphs that we had earlier. It's going to look just like those pretty much. They might be going different directions, but it's the same thing. So what you do when you have the equation, what you want to do is you just start putting different numbers in for x. You do like 3 or 4 of them, and then you'll pretty much know what the graph looks like. So that's what I did. So you have x on the left, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and then y, or f of x, so that's just the y. And the y, you find it by using the equation. So I did minus 3 all the way up to 1, so I started with minus 3, and you put that into this equation. So it'd be minus 4 times 3 to an exponent of x minus 1. And I'm using an x of minus 3, so it's minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 4. So we solve this equation minus 4 times 3 with the exponent to negative 4. If the exponent's negative, you could just turn it into a fraction like this. But you can use a calculator at this point. You just get the math to find the final number. So 1 divided by 3 to the 4th power times 4, but 4 is negative also, so it's going to be negative. It's just minus 4 over 81. It's not really important to know that exact number. All you need to know is it's a really small number and it's negative. Because if you go to the graph where x is minus 3, so we go to the graph, x is the one that's going left to right. X minus 1, 2, 3, it's just really small. It's really close to 1, but it's on the negative side. You just need to find where it is basically to draw the graph, because that's the whole question. So I do the same thing for minus 2, minus 1, 0. But the thing is, let's see. Yeah, the last one, 1. When x is 1 in this table, you put the 1 into the equation. Negative 4 times 3 to the exponent of 1 minus 1. Right here. So that's 0. So minus 4 times 3 to the exponent 0. 0 just means whatever's happening, the number just always turns to 1. So it's minus 4 times 1. So that's just minus 4. So you see, if we have 1, let's see, we'll go to the right 1 on the left to right x-axis. 1, it's minus 4. So you just plug in these different numbers, 1, 2, 3, just one at a time until you have what the graph looks like. And then you know it's an exponential one, so it's going to look like this.